Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another AutoCAD video. As in the previous video, we have already discussed about fillet and chamfer command. Now in this video, we're actually going to discuss that after you make a house plan, how to print this house plan, how to make a plot size print, and how to actually convert this map into layout and convert it into PDF. So what you're gonna do, first of all, we can do it from here. Actually, you can go to layout view from here, and you can see this is the first method. And I think that it's actually a bit difficult. You have to go model view again, and you have to just simply press Control P simultaneously. And if you press Control P, as you can see that an analog box like this will open up, and I'm telling you that what you will going to do. For example, if your teacher says that you have to print this image, this PDF, on 28 inches by 22 inches page size. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just first of all select here and go to AutoCAD PDF high quality PC3, this option. I will click here. If I click here, I will just go to properties at the sidebar. As you can see, if I'm going to sidebar, as you can see, there are different kind of paper sizes. As you can see here, these are by default, and if you wanted to create your own page size, you will just go to here, properties. By first of all, you will select this. The second thing is just go here, and here's an option of custom paper sizes. As you can see here, you will single click there, and you will not click OK. You will go to add, and if you wanted to add another paper size, you will have to start from scratch. So this option is truly checked. Not click this, check this option and go to next. And here you have to specify the length and width of your page. For example, I am changes it into inches, and I want 28 by 22 inches, because most of the universities we will use 28 by 22 inches for our assignments. This is our actually sheet size. So I'm clicking on this 28 by 22 sheet size, and it's actually giving a preview like this. As you can see, you can also preview it from here, and you will go to next, and you will never do anything from here. You will go to next, and this will actually create this page like that. As you can see, it is actually creating a page user for 28 by 22 inches. Next, and I'm just clicking on finish. So if I finish that paper size, I will just clicking on OK. And you actually see as I have already many kind of 20 by 28 by 22. The recent one we have created this one, as you can see. So we are going with this. First of all, we have created, and now we are selecting this one. At the end, our created page, we have selected our created page. And one thing you have to do, if you want to increase quality of your image after these two options, you will go there and you will go to custom, and now you can change your DPI actually to 2000 or something else. For example, I am going to say that it will be 2000, and also you can, if you wanted your drawing to be fit in your limits, you can go to actually here display, and you will go to window, and if you zoom out a little bit, just make a random rectangle like this from here to here. This will be actually your fitted this rectangle. Your drawing will be fitted in this rectangle. If you click here like this, now our area has been selected. We want the print of only this area, not entire this sheet. So we have selected our window, as you can see here. Now I am going with, if you can say anything, you can go with portrait, you can go with landscape. So in this case I am going with landscape, and this is it. And also it will actually create fit to paper. Always check this fit to paper. And now if you wanted to change some kind of units from here, you will actually delete this fit to paper, and you can also do this 1 inch is equal to 1000 units or something else. Now in this case I am not going to change my inches. I am just going with fit to paper, and I am just clicking on OK. If I click OK, now it will ask the save location of your PDF. As you can see, the format here is PDF, and I will actually go to desktop and double click here, and there's not any kind of options. I'm going to this PC and going with local disk D, and I'm just saving this drawing as you can specify, you can change your name from here as well, but I am okay with that. And I will, you can see there's a the file type is PDF. You can save it. Actually it will take a bit time, but my PDF has already been saved. And if you wanted to just cross it, and you can also view it. Now I'm navigating to the place where I have saved my PDF, like this one, and I'm going with this one. This is my actually saved PDF, so I am going with this one. If I click on there, and you can see that my actually PDF has been a high quality PDF has been saved here, as you can see. So in this way you can convert your drawing into PDF. So that's it for today's video, and thank you.